back. Today we're going to check the SoundCore Select 4 Go. Small Bluetooth speakers from SoundCore. Let's open it up. Sorry about the lighting. It's not a good day for shooting. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a pretty small speakers, 5 watts here, a little bit bigger than the JBL Go 4, and this is the Select 4 Go. So it's really confusing what's happening here, but the structure is basically a little bit bigger than the JBL, a little bit more round. I like it because it will protect the speaker better. We got this built-in lanyard here. A little bit thick, yeah, but I'm sure it's robust. 4 feet down here, and they look pretty high, so they should, you know, absorb most of the vibration here. All the panels is here up here, and very simple and smart design. And we got a USB-C IP67, I think. Yes, so it's IP67 dust and water resistant. So pretty good rating here. This speaker has 20 hours of operation time, so it should be pretty long lasting, as long as you don't crank the volume all the way up, which I don't recommend anyway. 5 watts, so it's inevitable to compare it to the JBL. So 5 watts, it's a little bit more than the JBL. Nothing, I think it's really nothing is really a big difference. 9 band equalizer, of course, from the app, and most of the job we'll do here. We have a passive radiator and a small driver here. So without further ado, let's hear the speaker, but I want to say a few words before we begin. So, I want to explain something, why I think this speaker is important. So, this is an entry-level speaker, so financially everybody should be able to buy it, okay? And up to now, the JBL was the main player there, but prices it's a good speaker, JBL, okay? But prices has gone a little bit up, especially with the Clip 5 and the Go 4. So this cost a little bit less than the JBL, and it's still a good speaker. It gives a fair fight to the JBL. I think it sounds even a little bit better. A better bass, maybe, better. The highs are more refined. It does have its limitations here. It has its problems because the mid-range are pretty screamy here. A little bit more exaggerated. I wouldn't say screamy, but they are exaggerated. But you can easily fix it with an equalizer. You can see my equalizer setting in the app. I want to talk about a little bit the app. So the app I don't like apps at any speaker, and I think the registration process is annoying, you know, but I don't think companies will stop doing it, unfortunately. And this speaker, the equalizer is good enough that it will be a reason to install it and make this speaker sound good. It does balance and refine it, and I would dare to say it's even sound enjoyable and refined, and you can really enjoy music in this speaker. This is no way audio 5 speaker, but if you have a sensitive ear, you can get something pleasant with this speaker, and it will sound good, especially in this price and level, of course. Now let's see how you can hang it for your bag. So I brought my daily bag here. It's really my daily bag, okay? And I bought this carabiner. It's cost like €1 something or $1, depending where you are. and you just hang it here, and you can hang it on your bag easily. So now I have a speaker on the bag, it doesn't take place inside, or you can put it inside, of course, because it's small enough. You can see the dimension. This is a pretty average size bag, not big, not small. Also, you can hang it by your belt, or you can actually put it in your pocket. Let's see. So this is my pocket, and definitely can stuck this speaker in. If you have a medium size pocket, this is definitely gonna work. So what's left is we're gonna listen to the speaker. Let's start the sound test. So first of all, put your headphones on. It's a binaural recording. You can feel the 3D sound. I will hope you enjoy it. And let's connect it. Okay, so we are connected right now. And first of all, I will operate it without the app. Let's get to our playlist. As usual, I'm playing it with 60%. This is enough. Don't overstress your speakers. Let's change position, and I'll take this out. As you can see, it's working well and even better on its side, on its back. As you can see, when I hang it, the sound became more open. Still we have bass. Let's take it away. Change some. Really impressive bass for this kind of size of speaker. Don't expect like, party bass, but it's pretty good. Let's pause a bit. I want to show you the settings of the equalizer. It's really annoying, but this is the important stuff. Equalizer. 4 types of equalizer here. Sound signature, it's okay. Balance, I think it's pretty much pointless in this size of a speaker. Treble boost and bass boost, but this is not really useful. But the custom one is pretty good actually, And you can, a little secret, you can adjust the exact frequency by pressing the exact setting. So you can write here full band, and then you get the, you can choose any band. You press on the, and it expands so you can play with the frequency. So you can move it to the side and decide what's the main frequency of the equalizer. This is really pretty professional and nice. So I like it. This is my settings. So like I took the mid-range out at 1.2 and 2.5, and the mid bass has gone up a little bit and the treble a little bit up. So this is my setting and I really recommend it. I'll see if I can share it and put it below in the description. So let's continue with the equalizer. So, and I'll show you the difference between with and without. So this is with the equalizer, and you can see the mid-range is much lower. Let's hear some vocals. You can see the difference. So this was the section with the equalizer on, and let's turn it off, and you can see, I'm sure you will be will notice the difference. So let's get to the regular SoundCore signature equalizer, and I think it's too screamy, but you'll decide. Anyway, this will, if you want a bike speaker, this is perfect, the high mids. But let's hear the same section again. So hope you have noticed the difference between the equalizer, but I still think it's a very good speaker. Definitely in this price, definitely from this company, definitely in this quality. I'll see a link if I get some links below if you can purchase this speaker from my links. But anyway, I really recommend it. It got some nice colors you should see in their website. And that's also it, guys. Write me in the comments if you have anything to say. I'm glad to hear it, and see you in the next time, in the next video. Bye for now, have fun, bye.